The first paper, okay, 4 general studies paper I told you, okay. The 4 general studies paper is really about this, okay. Your notification gives you list of topics, that is all fine. But the first paper is about background of India. If you want to govern India, if you want to administer in India, if you want to live in India, you should know the background of India. Yes or no? And what background? The morphological background, the historical background. So history and culture, geography of India, and the country you are living in, the society you are living in. So therefore, history and culture, where are we right now, but where did we come from? Okay, that's history and culture. But at the same time, where are we living? Geography, morphology of India, and society of India. Okay, the second paper is governing India. With a background now, you know what are the structures through which you govern India. Constitution. India is also, okay, so we are living in a place which is globalized. We live in a global village, of course, with digitization and so on, the boundaries have shrunk, okay, even more than ever. Okay, so therefore, we need to know India's place in the world. India's place in the world in order to understand how do we govern India. So this is about the constitution, but governing also for what? We are not colonizers. We are not going to govern you. Yes or no? Okay, every teacher like me comes and tells, I will improve your life. Nobody can improve anybody's life. I can improve my life, you can improve your life. So I am not here to govern you. Yes or no? Okay, so after civil services, okay, IAS, IPS, they feel, okay, my own friends have told me, at least for the first few years, they have a feeling that I want to come and improve your district. अपने आप को improve करो, district अपने आप हो जाएगा. Are you able to understand? Okay, there is nothing to improve. Who is thinking? Colonizer is thinking like that. When British came to India, they want, okay, India was what? White man's burden? Yes or no? They took it upon themselves to improve India. Arey, who are you to improve us? You understand or not? So, whoever comes with that tone is what? Is a colonizer. So, therefore, governing with a certain goal in mind. What is the goal? Justice. That's what your preamble tells you. You don't know what your goal in life is. The best place to find your goal is the preamble of India. Liberty, equality, justice, fraternity. Bas. Justice again has been the goal of all societies. All societies, doesn't matter what societies, Greek civilizations to 2026. Justice is the universal goal of all societies. Only thing that has changed is how you are trying to achieve that. Nothing else. And how you are trying to achieve that is the story of the constitution or the political structures and so on and so forth. Are you able to understand? Okay, so once you know, and that you cannot do without the background of India. And the third paper is about what are the challenges we have, what are the constraints we have, what are the resources we have in order to achieve these goals. Economy, technology, security, environment, these are all what? Some challenges you have, some opportunities you have, but the goal is clear. Okay, unlike AI. You understand? Okay, we are good at very good at building technologies, but not defining what it has to be built for. You know? Okay, beautiful line. Very recently there was an article. This was the line. Okay, so this is not like that. So we have lot of resources, but we also have a goal in mind. Okay, what is the goal? Justice, simple. And without ethics, integrity and aptitude, okay, none of this is possible, and that is why the fourth paper in the mains examination is ethics, integrity and aptitude. You might start preparing for the exam, you can take the syllabus, you can take the reading material and all of this, you can read the NCERTs and everything, but a bird's eye view of the syllabus is simply this. Don't lose the spine. This is the spine of the syllabus. A background of India, the governing structure of India with keeping in mind a goal. What are the challenges of India? Economic challenges, technological challenges, environmental challenges, security challenges. And finally, how far do you know yourself? That is what? Ethics. Yes or no? Okay. Ethic is what? Okay. Ethic is, philosophy was to inquire into the nature of things. Philosophy is defined as to inquire into the nature of things. To inquire into the world outside, physics. To inquire into the world inside, ethics. Nothing else. So it's all about you, nobody else. Ethics, integrity and aptitude is about you. That's all. Is it clear? So this is what the syllabus is really about.